Hello guys, welcome to another session. In this session, we are going to learn about HTML page structure. This session is really very important because once you understand the HTML page structure, then you can easily lay out your pages. So let's jump into the topics and let's look into what are the topics we are going to cover over here. So basically the HTML page structure is look something like this. Here we have a HTML document which is surrounded by HTML tag, and we have two major sections where we have header section and the body section. Header section contains the information like page title, what would be the page title, which CSS should be associated with. If you want to attach any JavaScript, then you can use the head section. You can also use the head section to specify the metadata information about the page so that you can perform the search engine optimization on web page. Now coming to the other section, that is a body section. So body section will actually contain all the design elements in the form of markup which actually display in the browser. Body section contains the element like heading, text, images. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code and look into the example of HTML document. So now we are into Visual Studio Code. Now we will look into the actual structure of HTML document. So here I will use the HTML snippet, HTML5. So this is the snippet, and here you will find that we have HTML, this entire container, and within that we have two type of section. One is the header section, another one is the body section. In the header section, I already mentioned that here we should write the meta information which is useful for search engine optimization. Along with that, we have to also specify the title. And if you will closely look into other example, then you will find that here we have also used some of the references of CSS file which is being attached with the HTML document to beautify the web pages. Now in the next section onward, you will come to know about first the header section in more detail. You will learn about the internals of header section, and then afterwards you will learn about what thing will go into the body section, how we can design our web pages. So all these things are coming. So if you are worried about you are not understanding anything, that's fine for this session. From next session onwards, your all doubts will be cleared. So on this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.